Hi everyone, this is Mr. Brown, just making a quick explanation video on how to use Google Classroom using a phone or tablet device. We're trying to streamline the service so it's much more accessible for students at home. In order to get the most out of Google Classroom, we advise that you download the Google Classroom app and even the Google Calendar app, and I'll explain why the Calendar app in a moment. So first of all, click into the Google Classroom app. It'll ask you to log in. Make sure you use your student's school email address. It's vital that you use your school account email address. It'll show you this. Obviously this is just an example at the moment. It's one of our remote learning emails. It will show you all of your topics. You can click on the subject that you want to learn following your timetable onto classwork, and it'll be much easier to understand because it'll tell you what week it's beginning and what period you're due to do the work. So you can see there, period 2 on Monday will actually be a live lesson, and period 4 on Tuesday will be a lesson there. Obviously this is just an example. So if I go back to the classes, you can then go back onto class for the next lesson, or if you do not know your timetable, you can even click on the calendar option. Obviously this is where having the calendar app comes in handy, and it will actually tell you based on the due dates of topics of work when work is to be completed. So this assignment here is Monday period 2, that one's a live lesson, Tuesday period 4 and Thursday period 1. Like I said, this is just an example account, so obviously the students' email accounts will be much more full with all 5 lessons of every day for all 5 days. Please, if you have any questions, contact us on remotelearning@aspire.fcat.org.uk.